first ever bite at Cane's. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see if it's better than Dave's, though. Is it better than Dave's?
Try the bread.
Yeah.
With the sauce.
You got it. Yup. Yeah.
So this time it was pretty mid because I just got the sandwich. But Kaylee gave me her bread, so it's okay.
How you feeling about it?
Straight chilling. That shit was busting. About to hit a low glow.
Going to low glow now. Yep. All right, guys. So we acquired the low glow. Also, my bumper is wrapped. How do you like it? How's it look? I'm in the middle.
Fire.
I'm in the.
You
like it? You like that? How you feeling?
Also, come. My bumper is wrapped. How you feeling?
How you feeling?
It only took him 4 days. Awful car.
I think it looks great. I think both cars are looking pretty hard. Alex's car's sitting 19 feet in the air. And we're about to install low glow in the middle of Ohio somewhere. I don't even know where I'm at.
What do you guys think? Should he keep this black or wrap it?
Okay, so I definitely think it looks good black, but I think wrapped would definitely be harder.
Yeah, it would look good both ways. It's pretty fun.
I think so.
But right now, we need to enjoy our trip and install the low glow.
All right, guys, out with this old piece of... Shout out Jordan at Low Glow. The shop was dope. All right, guys, so basically we had gotten an Airbnb. It was not it. How were you feeling about the Airbnb?
I don't even want to talk about that.
Yeah, okay. So then we had to cancel. We lost all our money on the Airbnb. Now we're in like a hotel in downtown Columbus, so that's kind of what's going on right here. How you feeling, bro?
I'm a little annoyed, but
I think we're all annoyed, but we're gonna try and make the best of it. I mean, hopefully our hotel room's in like something high, because this is like a pretty sick view. But we'll figure it out. How you feeling, Trev? How you feeling? Tell them what's going on.
Well, just a super shitty situation right now, but we're gonna try and make the best of it. We're gonna go to the hotel right now and check in. Alright, so bam, we decided we're gonna go to the pre-meet, and so we're just getting ready right now.
Look at this beautiful view, guys.
Sorry.
You should have showed the previous view. Shit went dumb.
It was all bad.
Shit went crazy.
Basically, we're on the phone with Airbnb because that Airbnb should not have been allowed.
Yeah, we need our money back.
Yeah, but basically our cars are parked right over there,
Yeah,
so we're gonna park them up top later, and we'll be able to see them from here.
Y'all brought everybody here. Y'all brought, hey, welcome back to the
What up?
welcome back to the video.
This thing is insane, guys. Look at that. How you feeling about that one?
That shit is pretty sauce. Fire, 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 fire. Fire!
This is insane looking. The cowl hood is nasty. Look at the little cums. The little cums. Can you see them? The little cums. And the wide body.
Spunk.
The spunk stain. That's hard. This thing is beautiful, though. Go follow him. Cum stang. Brooks admiring the G.
At least pull my pants down.
What did he say?
Pull my pants and yours.
Nah, it's good looking, but I like yours. The cars look too good in the city, man. Look at that.
Detroit's better though.
Detroit's better, honestly. All right, guys. Justin and Andrew thought they could beat us down the elevator.
someone peed in
It's not happening. It's not happening. Keep the sauce, though. Keep the sauce. Like that?
No,
You
not
like
the
that?
dogs.
So, guys, we just got back from the pre-meet. Right now, we're about to go get food. Trev's car's looking mad sick with the low glow. I shut mine off, but I'm so happy with how the bumper looks. It looks so good. It's a 5-10 footer, one of those, but it looks good. That is a really hard bumper to wrap. Honestly, that was bad.
It's okay.
How you feeling?
I'm pissed because I ran over the wire and it ripped my wire out. So now my side doesn't work.
So now he has to buy more low glow, just like me.
No good.
No good. But we got this amazing view of Columbus. I think it's looking pretty sweet. So is my car.
You're lucky you didn't fuck up your rims. And so is my car.
So is Trevor's car.
And so is Brooke's car.
And so is Brooks' car.
Good morning. Next day, we all just got ready to go to the show today. It's pretty shitty outside, but
It's a beautiful view. No cap.
Yep.
No cap. You see that? Nationwide is on your side.
Yep. Bam. We just pulled up to the show. We finally found parking. We're about to go actually into the show. We got some...
This is okay. So we got accepted, but we didn't have time to do everything that we wanted to do to our cars, unfortunately. But technically, we should be in here.
Car kept breaking, so we
Yeah,
just
excited
ran
to
out of
put my
time.
transmission in 4 times. But shout out Bang, we need the sponsorship. This thing's sick. This thing has katanas in the back.
Yeah, that shit's hard.
Do I bag the Z on boost? Bag the Z on boost?
I'm bagging my car for sure, but I mean...
And then LS the whopping.
Yup.
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 Yup. Fuck a 2J.
Yup.
Yup. This thing goes insane. These are the wheels I want, and I'm getting these carbon fenders soon. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Buddy was at Logo's warehouse when he pulled up yesterday. Homie drove all the way from Washington. This vet is insane. This looks insane lowered. I love it. This looks insane. Logo just makes a car look better in my opinion.
What's up, y'all?
Tell me Logo doesn't make a car look better.
Amazing.
How you feeling about Logo making a car look better?
100%.
Just another example of Logo making a car look better. Come on. The wrap on this Benz goes hard. Same with this Beamer. How you like that wrap?
This? Oh, this shit hard. But he still doesn't use a turn signal.
Never will. Never will.
It's pretty good so far. It's a little smaller than GAT.
But that's That's to be expected.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. This thing's sweet.
I like this color. The camera's not doing justice at all.
Alright guys, that's actually going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a pretty good trip. I mean, besides the Airbnb situation, it was a great time. Also, in the next video, or one of the next videos, I'm actually going to explain why we haven't been filming too much lately or posting or anything, because the Z has been... There's so much. But we'll get into that in the next video. So if you go down below, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Big shot, everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get off, get